Hey guys, what is up? I hope you are having an amazing Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, whichever day you are watching this on. And as you guys can see that in today's video, I'm gonna talk about skin care, and it's for all types of skin and every one of us can use it. And boys can also go for this, and this is especially for teenagers. Hello teenagers, and I know that this is the time when we have skin problems, our skin starts breaking out, then we have pimples, acne and what not on our skin, which is totally normal to have them, okay? And just take care as much as possible on your part. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Simran and I hope you find my content amusing enough considering subscribing. Alright, let's just get into our video. Skincare. Skincare is basically divided into two parts. One is internal care and another one is external care. Internal care means whatever you eat and external care means whatever you apply on your skin. In other words, applications. First, we'll talk about internal care. Internal care is more important than external care, and internal care always starts with drinking lots of water. Every person should drink at least 7 to 8 glasses of water every single day. Avoid eating junk food, sugary food, oily food if you have oily skin, and eat more of veggies, fruits and drink fruit juices. I personally prefer eating fruit than drinking fruit juices. And good amount of sleep. Having a good amount of sleep refers to having a sleep for 6 to 7 hours, which is good and enough for you, and it will make your skin happy, it will make you attentive, appealing, it will avoid dark circles under your eyes. And exercise. Exercise is equally important for your skin. Why? Because it will make your skin naturally glowy. And now talking about external care. External care's first rule is avoid using chemical products and wash your face 4 to 5 times. And this is for lazy people. This is mainly for lazy people, because those who take care of their skin, for sure they must be doing some or the other thing for their skin. And if you are lazy, then go and wash your face 4 to 5 times every single day. And if you are having a dry skin, then go for heavy oily based products that will make your skin moisturized, it will make glowy, it will make your skin flawless. And if you have oily skin, then go for watery based product. That will help you balance your oiliness on your skin. It won't make your skin look sticky, and it will give you glamorous look, and again it will make you flawless. And this is just the basic skincare routine which we should follow every single day. So here in this video I have home remedies for cleansing, for scrubbing, for face mask and every other thing. For that you need to follow along the video. First, I'll secure my hair so that they won't trouble me while I'm working. So our first step is face cleansing. For that we'll take cotton pad and milk and soak it accordingly, and after that clean your face with it properly. Raw milk is a good treatment for reversing tan, protecting your skin against sun damage and moisturizing the skin. The lactic acid, vitamin A, D, E and K and protein present in milk makes it mild exfoliation and hydrating agent. It's a good toner for dry skin. Now take another cotton pad and clean your face with gentle pressure. The second step is steaming. One of the biggest benefit of face steaming is that it helps open your pores, pushes out the dirt, oil and sweat clogged within, and provides a deep cleansing effect. It also allows all the natural oil to flow freely, preventing any future blockage or build-up. And all of us know that unclogged pores means lesser acne and breakout in general. How cool is that? Third step is exfoliation, in other words scrubbing. For this we need 1 tablespoon of coffee and 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Use your fingers and mix them well. Apply this on your face and massage it for 2 to 3 minutes and then leave it for 5 minutes. The lactic acid in yogurt breaks down dead skin cells. Coffee is also a great exfoliate and has a additional benefit of caffeine, which has been shown to reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and discoloration of the skin. It buffs away the dead skin, stopping it from getting clogged in your previous pores. Exfoliation also helps wake up your skin cells and get your blood going. Plus, when you buff away your top layer of dead skin, you are helping your other products sink in even better. Now for cleaning, wet your fingers and clean them in circular motion. And then wash it off. Then trap dry your face with gentle pressure. Now we'll apply our face mask. For that, we'll take 1 tablespoon of besan, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of rose water, and 5 drops of lemon juice. Use your fingers and mix them well. Besan has been traditionally used extensively for its beauty and health benefits. It is mainly used to cleanse the skin, remove tan, treat acne, pimple, brighten your skin, and remove excess oil from the skin. Turmeric helps as an anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, lightening blemishes, fight acne, reduce wrinkles, and many more. Rose water with natural anti-inflammatory properties can reduce redness from irritated skin or overheated skin. It is a good cleanser and aids in removing oil and dirt accumulated in clogged pores, thus preventing acne and pimples. It has astringent-like properties and can be used to close your pores. Lemon juice also works as an astringent, antibacterial, and antioxidant, which helps prevent oily skin, helps fight acne, and control breakouts. Now let's wait till it dries. Now for cleaning, again wet your fingers and clean them in circular motion. And then wash it off. Now we'll use ice. It helps reduce puffy eyes, adds a healthy glow to our skin, shrinks the appearance of pores, and also works as a primer. Now while icing your face it may get red in color. Well, that's totally normal. Then tap dry your face with gentle pressure. Now our last step is moisturizing. Here I am using vitamin E. You can use your favorite moisturizer or oil and massage it. Vitamin E helps in prevent aging, reduce wrinkles and fine lines, lighten dark spots and under eye circles. And there we go, it's totally done. So this was all for this video. I hope you have enjoyed watching me doing my skin routine, and I hope it will help you with your skin problems. And if you want me to give shout out to you in my next video, for that you need to like my videos, subscribe to my channel and comment down below done. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a big fat thumbs up. Share your thoughts about this video in the comments and share this video with all your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notification. And I'll see you in my next video.